Hello, this is Michael Pine with truDigital Signage, and I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Today, I'm going to be sharing all about Energage, what Energage is, and how that might apply to you and your digital signage. So, truDigital recently partnered with Energage, which is a company that focuses on fostering positive workplace environments, and they do so via several different platforms, via Survey, Connect, and Coach. Now, truDigital has integrated with the Energage Connect platform, and if I scroll down here, we can take a look at what that looks like. Here's a little example here. Basically, it's peer-to-peer recognition that's made visible on a culture wall. So this could be used for new hires, welcoming someone to the team. It could be for a simple thank you for someone doing something for someone else, a birthday, some type of celebration or recognition. Now, if I jump into the Energage platform, I'm already logged in here, but I can go ahead and click Culture Wall. And this is where you'll see all of your previous posts. And I can go ahead and click New Post to start typing out a thank you to someone within the office. Or I can go ahead and click Create Public Display Link in order to see a preview of what my culture wall looks like. And now I can go ahead and copy this link up here at the top. And that is the link you'll actually be using to integrate it into the truDigital platform. So now I'll go over to the truDigital platform. I'm already in Manage Playlist. I've already selected a particular playlist, and I'll click Template Library. And I'll simply scroll down until I find Energage. I can click on it and click Install. Now from here, I'll be able to click on Energage, click Edit, and then I'll go ahead and click Edit Template up here at the top and click Edit Mode Active. And then I can go ahead and delete whatever preview playlist is showing currently, and I can go ahead and paste my culture wall link and click Save. Now I can go ahead and click Save Changes up at the top left. And I can see a preview of what my culture wall looks like. And then from here, I can go ahead and click Back. And then I'll go ahead and edit my live playlist. And then I can go ahead and drag and drop my Energage template from the right to the left and go ahead and click Save. Once that's saved in my live playlist, I am good to go. And then once any new changes have been made to your Energage culture wall, those changes will also automatically display via your digital signage. So if you have any further questions about what Energage is or how you might be able to use it, please let us know. We're more than happy to help. Also, I definitely recommend checking out the Energage website to learn more as well. And thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and until next time, hope you have a good one. Bye-bye.